Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review and first impressions on this new True Glow Glam by Conair. It's a vibrating beauty blender. Well, not beauty blender. Vibrating makeup sponge. Makeup blender. So if you want to see how it works, just keep on watching. Okay, so today's video is about this True Glow Glam Vibrating Makeup Blender with stand base. So it's this right here. Got it for Christmas for my brother. So it's a vibrating beauty sponge. It says, apply foundation like a pro and get ready to flaunt your flawless finish. Vibrating action for even makeup application. Rounded edges for large area application, pointed tip for precision blending, standing base to keep your blender plus your counter clean. Battery operated 1 AAA battery, not included, limited 1-year warranty. So step 1, you dampen sponge with water, then pat makeup blender into your favorite liquid foundation. Step 2, turn on vibration and gently dab and bounce the blender along the skin to create an airbrush finish look. Step 3, use the flat edge to contour and precision tip for small areas. Beauty tip, always remember not to rub blender on skin. So let's get this. So there's a sponge. And then this is a stand that you can take off. So this is what vibrates. There's a sponge right here. Not wet, I haven't wet it yet. And this is a vibrating stick. And then that's where the battery goes. So I'm going to wet it. I have some water right here. I'm gonna wet like I always wet my beauty blenders, my beauty sponges. It actually did get bigger. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna drain it a little bit more because we don't want it super soaked. And then, there we go. So it is big, it did get bigger because this doesn't stay in there no more. And then you turn it on. Can you guys hear that? I don't know if I can do anything different, but let's try it out. So I'm gonna get my normal, actually let's do the face. I'm going to be using my daily gel moisturizer from Patchology, like I normally do. Moisturize. I'm gonna do the same thing I always do. Oh, you know what? Let me turn off the mini fridge because I forgot you can hear it in the videos. And then I'm going to be using some primer. Cover FX Blurring Primer Volume. Nose. More for the forehead. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I'm in the shade F7. Where's the other one? I haven't finished the other one. Oh, this is the new one. Oh, which one's the new one? This is the new one. Okay, let's do this. Turn it on. This is weird because it slips out. I don't really notice any difference. It is noisier. So this is the foundation part. It's still on the surface, so it doesn't suck up anything. I mean, it applied pretty nice. This is my forehead. There we have it. Next, I'm going to be using this side with just my regular e.l.f. sponge. Let's see if we notice anything different. This gives you like a flawless finish, huh? Like really natural. Alright. Okay, I feel like it was a faster with the other one without vibrating. Let's see. It looks the same, both sides. Actually, on my cheek area on this side, it didn't really apply really good. So, let's apply it a little bit more with this. I feel like it's a little more difficult with this one. Like it's too much work, I don't know. Because I'm holding this at the same time, trying to blend at the same time. So I'm doing like two things at once. Because if I don't, it just falls out. Okay, now concealer. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution one. Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is C3. Have you guys seen that new Fenty Beauty one? I still want to get it. Okay. Okay, this is huge under the eye. I feel like I can get under my eye pretty good. Blended nice. It's not as spongy as this other sponges. I mean, it's different. It's applying the foundation and the makeup like really well. I just feel like you have to work a little more hard. You have to work harder because you're holding that vibrating piece, so it won't fall. My opinion. Let me set my face. Okay, Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Under eye. I'm using the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Matte About It translucent setting powder that I got my BoxyCharm for the month of December. I'm just in the rest of my face. Okay, so now we're going to take my go-to so far, Becca, Chloe, Malika, BFF, and I'm gonna be taking that bronzer. The bronzer is Cocoa Bronze. I'm gonna get open. So I'm gonna be taking this one right here for bronzer. It's Cocoa Bronze Satin Matte Bronzer. I'm gonna use my go-to Extreme Structure Contour F04 from Sigma, my favorite bronzy one. And it gives me like a nice sculpt cheekbones, you know, ones that I don't have. I love this brush. See? Nice, nice. You can always go more in detail, but I just do. Look at it. And then I like to get my double chin, because, you know, too much eating tamales. Eating tamales, pozole, menudo. And then next I'll be using this blush. I'm gonna use this one right here, which is Glow Up. This one right here. Glow Up. I like to go hard in the blush sometimes. That's just the way I am. And then I'll be going in with Fierce. Wait. No, I got confused. I always get confused. So this is Fierce, and the Glow Up is a freaking highlighter. So I'm gonna go in Fierce. No, Glow Up. Oh my gosh, Tiffany. Pretty Glow. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. I do and I don't like this. I like the way I applied. I applied my makeup, my foundation nice, flawless. Did the same thing as my e.l.f. sponge. I mean, it didn't soak up a lot of products. It all stayed right here. The only thing I didn't like is I had to hold on to this while applying my makeup. So did the vibrating thing make a difference? Nope. Maybe I'll just use a sponge. But if you guys want to try this out, this one I went on the website and it's available at Bed Bath & Beyond for $14.99. But let me know if you try it. I noticed a big difference in vibrating. You can't really feel it vibrating out crazy on your face. Like, it doesn't make a difference. I don't see a difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.